Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this adorable chrysanthemum keychain. It's perfect for decorating your bags, keys, or gifting to someone special. All you need is some 3mm yarn, a 2.5mm crochet hook, and a little bit of your time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of my future tutorials. Ready? Let's get started. Let's start with the flower center in yellow yarn. For round 1, we'll create a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers, insert your hook, and pull up a loop. Chain 1 to secure it, then work 6 single crochets into the ring. Pull the tail to tighten, and finish with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Amazing job, you've got the base of our flower. Tip: keep your magic ring loose until you're done with the single crochets to make it easier to work into. For round 2, chain 1 to start. Now we'll increase in every stitch. Work 2 single crochets in each of the 6 stitches from round 1, giving you 12 single crochets. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. You're doing fantastic. Look at that center growing. Tip: use a stitch marker to keep track of your first stitch in each round. For rounds 3 through 5, we'll keep it simple. Chain 1, then work 1 single crochet in each of the 12 stitches around. That's 12 single crochets per round. Finish each round with a slip stitch. Repeat this for rounds 3, 4, and 5. You're building the perfect little center. Keep up the great work. Tip: check your stitch count after each round to ensure you still have 12 stitches. For round 6, we'll shape the center by decreasing. Chain 1, then work a decrease by pulling up a loop in the first stitch, then the next, and pulling through all loops. Repeat this 5 more times for a total of 6 decreases. You'll end with 6 stitches, slip stitch to join. Wow, your flower center is complete. Beautifully done. Tip: pull your decreases tightly to create a smooth, rounded shape. Now, let's create 7 white petals for that chrysanthemum charm. For each petal, start with a magic ring. Chain 1, work 6 single crochets into the ring. Pull the tail to tighten and slip stitch to the first single crochet. You've got the base of your first petal. Great start. Tip: make sure all 7 petals start with the same tension for uniformity. For round 2 of the petal, chain 1. Work 2 single crochets in each stitch around, giving you 12 single crochets. Slip stitch to join. Your petal is taking shape. Look at that progress. Tip: keep your increases even to avoid a wavy edge. For round 3, chain 1, then work 1 single crochet in each of the 12 stitches around. Slip stitch to finish. You're cruising along, such a lovely petal. Tip: Count your stitches carefully to maintain 12. For round 4, we'll start shaping the petal. Chain 1, then work 4 single crochets followed by a decrease. Repeat this sequence once more. 4 single crochets, 1 decrease. You'll have 10 stitches. Slip stitch to join. You're nailing this. Your petal is getting that perfect curve. Tip: ensure your decreases are snug to define the petal shape. For round 5, chain 1, then work 1 single crochet in each of the 10 stitches around. Slip stitch to join. Your petal is almost there. Such smooth work. Tip: keep your tension consistent for a polished look. For round 6, chain 1. Work 3 single crochets, then a decrease. Repeat 3 single crochets, 1 decrease. You'll end with 8 stitches. Slip stitch to join. Fantastic job, your petal is shaping up beautifully. Tip: pull decreases firmly to taper the petal. For round 7, chain 2 to start. Work 2 single crochets, then a decrease. Repeat. 2 single crochets, 1 decrease. You'll have 6 stitches. Slip stitch to finish. Your first petal is done. Gorgeous. Repeat this process for 6 more petals. You're a crochet star. Tip: stack your petals as you go to keep them organized. Let's finish with a green leaf to add a natural touch. Chain 10, then skip the first chain from the hook. Work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochets, and 1 half double crochet. Now work a W stitch, slip stitch into the same stitch, chain 2, slip stitch back into the same stitch. Continue with 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and finish with a slip stitch. Your leaf is complete. Absolutely stunning. Tip: block your leaf lightly with water to help it hold its shape. Now it's time to assemble. Sew the 7 petals evenly around the yellow flower center, overlapping slightly for a full bloom effect. Attach the green leaf to the base of the flower and add a keychain ring to the top. Your chrysanthemum keychain is complete. Look at that masterpiece. Thank you for crocheting along with me. If you love this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and share your creation with us in the comments. Keep hooking, and I'll see you in the next video.